You guys, hold on. I gotta get it straight.
Help me, Dad. Oh God, alligators like these. Be careful when you go here. Watch out. There might be a little mama gator that will bite us.
Here, you want to get some more video, Boris? You gotta keep your hands inside the boat. Make sure the phone stays inside the boat, alright? Alright guys, here we go. We're out. We're going towards an island. We got Mater on the camera. We got Neil, the evil ass pad in front of us. Yeah, I heard that. Show them out here. Show them all the sticks in the water, man.
This is Tree Graveyard.
Going to Alligator Island, guys.
Yep.
Following our guide up there in the green boat.
Known as, you know, Neil. I'm just rich we keep filming him.
Yeah, film in front, film all around, show out there, man. Show them all the scenery. That's what they want to see, man. They want to see us doing all the scenery. They want to see all the stuff we're doing. Try to keep the phone over the... Whoa!
There's more sticks. Spiderweb on them. Oh, here comes another tree graveyard over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see like little brown things.
Gunshots.
Fireworks. Is this Alligator Island?
Yeah. Oh.
There's Alligator Island.
Shut up.
Try to get where Neo is. Okay. The scenery is beautiful.
Why keep your voice down? There's someone in the fucking woods shooting.
This is one of my favorite trees here. This is a crazy looking tree right here, ain't it?
Oh, yeah.
Eh.
Hold the phone. Get it
Got
back
it.
this way. Give me the phone.
Okay. Go ahead and step off there, Maynard. Careful.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Hold on to the ground. There you go. Alright, got that working. Okay, it's good. It's good.
Because there's someone shooting in the woods.
Okay, and this would. Yeah, I know. That's kind of crazy. Might be hunting hogs back there.
We can leave this here for now. This should be alright.
Okay, hand me the plant.
This shoots like an alligator head.
Okay.
It was crazy when we saw the alligator.
Yep. Grab the phone.
Got it. Okay.
Incoming call.
Don't worry about it.
There.
Okay.
Ow.
I step back a little bit.
We have to be quiet because there's someone shooting in the woods.
Oh, crazy rednecks. Right. We'll go ahead and grab the tree there and take it that way. And I'll put this baby up here on the store.
Go back a little
My
bit.
butt's wet.
Sure.
Alligator Island.
It even shapes like an alligator head.
Did you bring beer?
Oh, I ain't getting no beer. I wish. I wish. Anyway, here we are, guys. We're out here. Brought the canoes out. We got our little plant we're gonna put out here.
Little tree, baby, tree.
Little tree,
You got one
yeah.
growing right there, see it?
Where? Oh yeah, heck
How
yeah.
the hell did them get there?
Who?
that tree right there.
Oh.
I don't know what that did. Baby's doing pretty good, actually.
Yeah, that's pretty nice. The scenery for you guys.
Yeah, it goes further back that way too. It's amazing.
Don't get too close, man. You fall into that stuff. That'll collapse.
Let's see if our gator's back here.
I would like to see it.
That's our gator usually comes up from right here. She had some eggs
Oh,
here
yeah,
too.
you can see it too.
Yeah, last year she laid some eggs here and something got into them, like maybe raccoons or something, but you can see what's left of the shells.
Yeah, right.
And raccoons or something got to them back here.
You never really see the path where it was at.
Maybe birds got them, but yeah. You usually see her right around here. She's usually not too far off.
There we go. Zoom out a little bit. Yeah, you can definitely see the path there.
I had all these cleared out at one time too, but that's pretty quick. Nice little camping area right here. You can crawl up on you while you're sleeping. Yeah, this is it though.
Oh, cool.
Let me guess, we have to kayak all the way back.
Alright, we'll go that way first.
Yay!
Actually, there's a lot back there too.
I don't want to stop.
Take a break though.
I don't want to stop
I
kayaking.
know, right? God damn.
I know, I wonder what the hell. I ain't never heard them. Unless they're shooting on this side, but I swear it sounds like it's coming from over there.
Yeah, it's echoing
Actually,
across.
I have
but
good hearing, and it's coming from over there.
Yeah, I think so too.
I can hear it.
take this thing home and clean it up. It's all messed up.
It's not coming from that side, unless it will be a little bit fire, but it's coming behind me.
We got firewood on here too. I've cut some of this stuff back down back in the days. Have a little
Yeah,
fire
I can
back
see
here.
spots where it's been
Fuck
cut.
that. You want to go home? Let's just stay out here. Fuck it. Fire. You got a lighter on you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, fire.
Because I got weed.
All the homeowners association want to. They'd have to do it on this side though, if they ever did. Yeah. They can't be shooting no hogs. They're probably out there just firing off.
Yeah, they gotta be. I don't know what they're shooting though.
It's coming from like over this way. It's not coming from over there. It's coming from behind me.
Next time they shoot, just scream out, "Oh God! Oh fuck! It's got me!"
I wonder what the hell they're shooting.
I don't know. Oh, it's not at us.
Right, look, there might be some hogs back there. Now, in the woods, you know, at the end of our street, that's where it all comes into. That's as far as you can go in the woods back there. They're right there. And I've never seen a hog back there. I know there's some back there, but I've never seen one personally with my own eyes. I've seen some hair from one, but I've never personally seen a hog back there. I know there's some back there though.
It's nice out here though.
Beautiful day, man.
I would like to live here.
I know, right?
Until it floods.
This is probably somebody's yard. I mean, it's, you know, it's kind of. I don't know if anybody owns this though. Actually, I don't know.
This is out like in the middle of the lake.
I think at one
might
time.
own it.
Yeah, right. I named it.
The
And the reason I
alligator
named it
island.
Alligator Island because when I
Wow, look at that spider.
when I went through the woods that time, you know, that's
Yeah,
far as I could
you
go.
can't- I
wanted to
can't
cross
see 'em.
over here to see what was over here. That's back before I had the kayaks, and I swam across.
That spider's really neat,
It
man.
was right there.
Like you could see him when he was up and he was moving, but when he stopped, he put all his legs flat and out in front of him and then behind him, and now he looks like he's part of the stick.
Oh, you want some tea? It's got lemon in it.
No, thank you.
You guys see him? See if I can get
don't
into
like
him.
lemon.
I can't get into him.
Lemon's good for you.
Huh. I don't want him to
Somebody's
get me.
Oh, my phone's in the damn. My phone.
I didn't want him to bite me.
Want me to go get it?
Nah, it's good.
Shit.
I don't need it.
I'm not trying to get bit by no spider. No, it was pretty neat because he ran up and then when he stopped, because you could see he had all his legs spread out, but when he stopped, he went like this,
Hell yeah.
and he looked like he was a little spot on the vine. It was pretty neat. Fucking cool.
You need to chop us some firewood up back here. Bring the axe back here. There you go. They're getting further away. You hear them?
Yeah, 2 shots that time. They're chasing somebody.
Not me!
Oh, hush.
Damn.
No, now they're getting closer. See, shut up.
There ain't nowhere back there except from if you go down our road or the park. That's it. There ain't no too many other ways back there. Unless you live right up against the woods.
Lives where we live. That's scary. Oh, man.
I know, right?
The It sounds like there's something in
cool.
the water.
That's the water hitting the shore there. Just down there. You can
actually
stand
low
here and
right now.
watch.
Well, actually, this is where it usually is, but man, this lake was so.
Look, if you come down here and you look, there's like a little spot right there. Seems like somebody got like stepped there and it got stuck.
That's usually where I launch off at. We're right over there.
But you can see where it's hitting that little spot.
Yeah.
Making noise. And up underneath the leaves and stuff. That's where it's making that noise.